one local school corporation says it's seeing an uptick in students who are staying home sick.
But it's not the only place experiencing an influx of illness. News 18's Samantha Tiki reports how cases of the flu and flu-like viruses are impacting the area.
Something's going around in our community.
Coughing, sneezing, and fevers are causing an increase in absences in the Lafayette School Corporation.
We're not experiencing any level of epidemic outbreak at this point, but we will continue to monitor it, obviously.
Those flu-like symptoms have led to as many as 10% of kids staying home sick. That's up from an average of 6%. But it's just not students feeling the wrath.
Both teachers and support staff are showing about the same type of attendance pattern with an increase in the number of employees being gone.
While LSC deals with those flu-like symptoms, IU Health Arnett Hospital is treating an increase of people with the actual influenza virus.
That body aches, cough, sore throat, headache, runny nose, fever.
Dr. Mark Estes says only a select few actually need to see a doctor.
HIV, cancer patients on chemo, and the older population who has pulmonary disease like COPD or emphysema, those are the people that actually can get sick enough from it that actually require hospitalization.
In the meantime, Lafayette schools have ramped up cleaning and sanitation while trying to educate students and parents of the importance of staying home if a child is sick.
Spread that common sense around as opposed to spreading the germs.
Estes says if you do come down with an upper respiratory virus and are not at risk, it's best to treat with over-the-counter medicine. But be prepared to stay home for about 5 days.
You're going to feel horrible with influenza. You just are. But as long as you don't have underlying respiratory illness, just simply treat it symptomatically and just stay at home.
Schools are asking parents to do the same thing in order to prevent the virus from spreading.
Stay home, get well, and certainly we'll welcome you back.
Reporting in Lafayette, Samantha Tiki, News 18.